Rests. Music is not music without silence. Spaces of silence in music are as important as pauses in speech, and periods after sentences. For every note value, we have an equivalent rest. Rests are symbols that represent a silent duration. These are important, because musicians must know when to stop, and for how long. In this table, you can see note values and their equivalent rests. Whole rests hang from the fourth line of the staff, and half rests sit on the third line of the staff. Now I'm going to show you some examples illustrating the counting method. When an eighth note falls on the second half of a quarter beat, since there are 2/8 per quarter, we say, and. Dotted notes. A dot placed after a note adds 1/2 the value of the original note. We know the whole note is equal to 2 half notes. So, the dot adds half its original value, that is 1/2 note. This is a whole dotted note. Equals 6 beats. We also know the half note is equal to 2 quarter notes. So, the dot adds half its original value. Equals 3 beats. This is a dotted quarter note. Equals 1.5 beats. And this is a dotted eighth note. Equals 1/8 note plus a 16th note. Example 1. 3 measures of the dotted quarter and half notes in 4/4 time signature. Example 2. 3 measures of the dotted quarter and half notes in 3/4 time signature. The dot functions the same for rests, adds 1/2 the value of the original value. Ties and slurs. A tie is a curved line that connects two adjacent notes of the same pitch. The tone is held as though the two notes are one, so it is prolonged. A slur is a curved line that connects notes of different pitches. A slur indicates that the music will be played or sung as smoothly as possible. There should not be any space between the notes within the slur. The tie and slur are not limited to 2 notes. These can be used over as many notes or measures as are needed. Now let's do some practice. Answer these questions and write them in the comments section below. In the next video lesson, I will explain dynamics in music and repeat signs. But before you move on, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends who might find it helpful. Also, make sure to subscribe for many more videos. Thanks for watching the video.